Okay guys, today we're eating again. Okay, so today we're gonna eat this. Can you see it? Okay, first, oops, it fell down. Okay, first we're gonna add some sauce. Sauce. Oops, the sauce wasn't covered. Oops. Oh no, it fell down. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna top it up here, and some here. Oops, it fell down again. It's okay. Let's eat. First, we're gonna try one of these. Pretty good. Let's try this. Wait, can you see it? Okay, it's good. It's actually pretty good. Let's try to do more of these. So good. I really like this. Now, let's try this. Let's take a bit of this. Oops, I accidentally picked it up together. The part was crazy. Oh, my back hurts. Oh, I tried it. Okay. That's actually pretty good. That's right. It's good. Let me just try a little bit. I only prepared a little bit. Look. Right there. It's good. Let's try the stones again. I like them. Oops. Oh, I did find out. Yeah. Why is there ants everywhere? It's okay. I'm gonna eat one of these again. It's good. How about we just add this? Ooh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna eat this. Where's it? I'm gonna eat this. Look. Oh, look at this. We still have it. I'm just gonna eat it. I'm gonna study later. Okay, we're gonna open this. And then we're gonna add our food. Oh, so good. Let's just spread it around. I didn't use a leaf for my plate because I have my own plate. There's chickens. No, there's chickens. Ooh, that's so good. Okay, let's go. Let's try this taco. Wait, I can't see it. Your taco. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. That looks so good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, no, it fell down. It's okay, just get it. A ladybug is here. No, it's good. Oh my gosh, it's a ladybug. Wait. It's a ladybug. Let me see it. There. You just see. Oh my gosh, I'm just showing my face.